Preparing Statement Letter for Partnership Visa. Part 2. Today's video is part 2 of our preparation of Statement Letter for Partnership Visa. This is the last part of our video series, where we will talk more about how you can prepare a statement letter for your partnership visa. In Part 1, we discuss some tips for writing an effective relationship document for your partner's visa for Australia. If you have missed it, make sure to check it out by clicking the link in the description box and comment section below. So let's find out what more information will be required when preparing the partner visa relationship statement. At number 6. Hobbies of both of you. What kind of hobbies or activities do you both love to do in your leisure time? Do you go to the gym and work out together, or have you been on a holiday to spend time with each other? Explain every bit of your detail related to your daily life and routine with your partner. 7. Financial support. It is necessary to brief you about your finances and how you both manage to meet the expenses of your living as a couple. Explain to them how you manage to deal with your financial commitments, including credit cards, car loans, house rent, or shopping for groceries. Do you both have joint bank accounts or separate ones? And how do you handle saving money for the future? However, this will help in getting the surety from the case officer about your relationship authority. In case, if one of you does not have an income, then you should explain how one manages to run the household. 8. Your future plans. Besides proving and describing your current relationship, it is also important to include your upcoming plans for the future with your partner. You can include your plans in terms of any holiday tour, or getting married, or having children in the next few years. You can also add your planning for large purchases, including planning to get your own house too. 9. Add your friends into the list. Add details telling about the invitations from your friends and family where you both were invited together. This will show that you both are recognized by all of your family and friends. Provide details about where you were invited, including the date, venue, and what was the event. 10. Accurate dates. It is needed to explain the duration of your relationship to make sure the dates mentioned are accurate to them. The required length and duration of time should be kept in mind while preparing the document. However, in the end, don't forget to add your anniversary or other important date being a couple. Using bullet points before drafting, the final document will be much more effective for you, so you will not forget anything to include in your visa relationship statement. Keep in mind that both the applicant's and sponsor's statements shouldn't consist of any sort of contradictory information. Recheck your drafted document, especially dates, event names, or any timeline for the events mentioned. Case officers are allowed to ask you any kind of general or detailed questions as long as it is concerned, and will help them in getting surety of your relationship with your partner. The officer can even sometimes contact you via phone call and ask you about the nature of your relationship, so you just need to be prepared. In case, if your interview has been scheduled over a phone call, then the case officer might question you with very basic and detailed household nature questions, including which side of the bed you usually sleep on. However, if the interview is in person, he can ask you about the identity of your partner's family members by showing you their photographs. This is the end of our today's video update. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Australian immigration.